can get like some spice here as well. I don't know for the actual price, but there's a lot of spice shops around here, so you can see this guy is absolutely going about it. We're doing a transaction, so my brother's going to buy a spice, half kilo. Thank you so much.
Eucalyptus tea?
Eucalyptus tea, yeah? Alright, lovely. Oh man. If you're buying anything from these guys, they basically will give you a cup of tea, you know? Lovely. Lovely stuff. This is free.
Hello, Steve. Balance.
Food. Oh, Turkish food. Yes, please. So aesthetically pleasing and meticulously driven. As I once explored Turkey enormously, it has left me spoiled for this. Oh, let it be kebab. I mean, delicious, delicious kebab. Oh yes, I am particularly interested in meat product that is handcrafted and made specifically for you. This is simply astonishing and must try. Zoom in, what do you see? Tenderness, sizzling and rolling, the guy spinning gingerly and slowly, and when you zoom out, you see pure satisfaction. Okay, time out, let's take a break. Where do you go to see something spectacular? Look nowhere, look no further, come here to this place, Istanbul rooftop.
Look at those angels. Lovely angels, you know, look at that. Ooh.
You don't want a picture?
And I'm getting a call from where what? Buckingham Palace. Alright.
You know, this is one of those places that brings you good memories. Dress and walk like a king, do the smile, camera action, there we go. Leaving Istanbul behind to my next destination. Gaziantep, situated at the southeastern Anatolia region. Reason for visit, food of course.
I think this is the central. People are so nice there. Oh my god, look at you. Yeah? You wanna take a let's go, why not? Oh I know, so basically this local So local there. Look at that, man. So look at, I just touched down. I haven't even been to my hotel yet. So they want to take a photo with me. People here are so amazing. Oh my god.
بوغا لعلمك شوي بالعربي.
Oh my god, guys. Why is this?
Gaziantep happens to be the food capital of Turkey, and the people are warm, kind and friendly.
Say hi. There we go. Lovely guy, man. So, of course, let me just try this. I'm going to stand over there.
Oh yeah, the shoe man.
Little bit, tiny bit, that's it.
And this is me, and I am in Gaziantep. Where is the baklava shop? Because I am notoriously starving.
Hello. Oh. Assalamu alaikum. From London, England.
England.
Yeah. Oh wow, is it very good, yeah? Is it the best? Delicious?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh. Thank you. All right, so this what's this? Baklava? Yeah. Yeah? Baklava, okay. So this is baklava. All right, so let me come and try this on camera now. Let's go for the baklava. Oh my god. My goodness. This is packed full of sugar. My god, man. So sweet. It's dripping down with honey as well. Oh, that is amazing. Delicious.
Diabetes 101, satisfaction 10 out of 10.
I like it. It's amazing. Where are you from? London. Yeah.
Oh, look at those colours. It's like a flashback from your dreams.
That's my box. There we go. Fantastic. Thank you. How much? Huh? No, it can't be free. I want to pay. What? Are you sure? Yes. Come on, man. Just take the money. Oh, man. Thank you so much. Oh, my God. Take care. Bye.
Oh, how dare you? You refuse mamula. The thing is, in this region of Turkey, foreigners are well looked after, and hospitality comes first.
Free. Oh, I dropped something. So I got a free baklava. I can't believe these people are amazing. What a people. They're legends. Oh my god.
This is Emre.
Yeah, we got it.
Oh, look at these guys. They're going crazy with my camera. But I trust you.
Come on.
I let them to record because I trust them. Yeah.
So, what is Gaziantep? Well, Gaziantep is the castle, the man walking to the hatchway, down to the sizzling grill Adana kebab.
Mahmut çevir.
This is so hot. This is hot. My boy's letting me like to do this.
Çorumlu amiri getirdik.
Why not? I'm soaking into the full trap. Running this thing. I think I'm doing a terrible job,
Life is good, food is life, and food bring men together. Anyways, far away from the smoky but yet delicious kebab, I made my way to Gaziantep Archaeology Museum. This place is a place that keep on giving, and before languish into exile, but not by force, one must try my favorite Turkish dessert, known around here as katmer.
Literally everyone in this country is so nice. You guys are so friendly. I love this city. Everywhere I've been to, fantastic experience. I love it.
Oh, it's good, really good.
And I also got this, right? Let me just put it on. Just drizzle a little bit of lemon. I like it. It just make your heart a bit more smoother and all that. Lovely job. Fantastic stuff, right?
As I roam across Turkey, my next destination for the night was Adana. In life, sometimes things doesn't go as planned. So what do? You man up, you ignore the delay coach and explore the time you got given. Adana kebab, tick. A quick stroll across the city during lockdown, but foreigners are exempt, tick. Ding ding, welcome to Konya, and you must try this, and this is called a ligmac. Apology if I said it wrong. So adorable they say, welcome to Antalya. A quick glance across this majestic coastal city of Turkey, one can say you see beauty. You see man in pride, strange and hard things, but cleverly placed. Tears of waterfall, plane passing by. Oh, them cute things. Sunset, the early morning excursion to the harbour, the shoe shining man, the dog, yeah, I mean the cute one, and the train passing by. And when you get closer, you see people moving through space, and from the distance, spectacular view. Through the evening of marvelous sunset, to the early morning taxi ride to the airport. Stop at the red light, people toasting things to the air, and when you put all these things together, you realize Turkey is one motherfucking effing captivating place. Safe? Absolutely.
I was on that ferry, but I got off so I can walk on the bridge, the Galata Bridge, right?
My trip was meticulously planned and well executed, and it's fair to say I had fun, tasted rich flavors, and met incredible people. Yeah, the good ones. Like they say, traveling shape your previous lives. Maybe it's true.